Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Ben Jackson. Today, I'm going to show you around Ridgway, Colorado, one of Colorado's best kept little secrets. Believe it or not, True Grit with John Wayne was shot right in Town Park. On top of that, the Grammy statuettes are made right here in Ridgway, Colorado. And to top it all off, we're going to go over to the Million Roadhouse and have some of the best wings in southwestern Colorado. Let's go check out Ridgway. Welcome to 609 Clinton Street here in Ridgway, Colorado. Telluride Properties, Forbes Global Properties currently has this building listed. One of the most enduring tenants, John Giddings, he produces the most coveted music award in the world, the Grammys. Let's go in and meet John. Come on. What a great way to spend a Saturday morning. I'm here in Ridgway, Colorado, and I'm sitting right next to John Giddings, the maker of the Grammy Music Awards, one of the most coveted awards on the planet. What brought you to Ridgway to make the Grammys?
I had been looking, I was making the Grammys in Southern California out in the Valley. I had been wanting to get out of the Valley for a long time, and I took several trips to Arizona, Santa Fe. I came to Ridgway, and that was it. I was sold.
You started in the Valley. Were you an apprentice to someone? What was like the earliest?
Well, as
you
a
remember,
kid, we lived in Van Nuys in the San Fernando Valley, and 2 doors down was my best friend growing up. His father worked in his garage. He was a mold maker, and I was always fascinated by what he did. And in 1958, he got the models to make the first Grammy Awards. So he did all the casting and engraving and all the polishing and stuff.
Wow, what a great spot to be in the moment of time, to be able to have that.
Yeah. So
2 doors down from you.
Yeah. I want to learn how to cast. And he said, well, I am actually looking for somebody to pass this trade on to. Would you be interested? I apprenticed to him for 7 years before he passed away.
The Grammys are even made, I heard, with the special metal.
Yes, we have a custom alloy that we have smelted out in California. It's made of zinc and aluminum and some other trace elements. And I asked if they could add some trace elements to make it unique, its own alloy, and we call it Gramium.
And John, with Ridgway being just down the hill from Telluride, and Telluride's known as the festival capital of the Rockies, have you ever had any musicians stop by the Grammys?
We actually have. We've had some Grammy winners stop in, and we've swapped stories. I get invited up to Telluride to go backstage a few times. And,
fancy.
You know, yeah. So, and made a lot of friendships through the years. But yeah, we sort of are on the way to the Telluride festivals, and a lot of Grammy winners have come through town.
Yes, they have. Thanks, John. It was great seeing you.
It's always a pleasure.
Yes. Again, thank you for your time. We're here in Ridgway, Colorado, and while there are numerous great views throughout town, this is one of my favorite. Looking up into the Ridgway Valley, just absolutely stunning. And we're also standing right in front of the Million Roadhouse, one of my favorite spots for wings. Let's go in and meet Conrad, the very famous Million wing smoker. Come on in. Glad we got to the Million early. Usually there's so many people here, guys, you can't even hear yourself think. Hey, Conrad.
Yes, boss.
What do we got on the smoker?
Wings and briskets.
Let's go check it out.
Right on.
Conrad, let's see what we're smoking. You mind opening that? Woo, look at that. The Million smokes poultry, pork, even catfish. Come to the Million and meet Conrad and his great team. I sure have enjoyed showing you around Ridgway, Colorado. For the American Dream, I'm your host, Ben Jackson.